today is the first day of Ramadan, and if you don't know what Ramadan is the holiest and the most precious month for Muslim people. We don't eat or drink during the daylight hours, so it's basically from dawn until the sunset. And I really love this month so much. So I really thought, why not to make a little vlog to bring you along with me during this day and share with you what we actually do in Ramadan. And actually, it's literally not only about fasting, it's more about strengthening our relationship with our creator, also gathering with our families and spending more time with them. It's literally so many things that we do during this period of time, and I really love this month so much. Although I'm not in my country, which is Ramadan in my country hits different, to be honest. Like everyone, sorry, like everyone decorating and their houses and the street itself, it just smells like Ramadan. I know I'm being extra right now, but it's literally the truth. So it's really different in the Muslim countries, and as long as I'm in China, so there is not, absolutely there is no, I don't want to say as not, but because there is no feelings for Ramadan, so we do actually decorate our home by ourselves and do all of the things that actually makes us feel like it's Ramadan. But the good thing here is that Ramadan this year comes at the same time as the Chinese New Year. So it just like have a very, it has a very different feeling because the streets are already decorated for the Chinese New Year, and also the people are so quiet. Also, they are gathering and having like dinner together or lunch or whatever. So it's just like kind of the same thing as what we do during our Ramadan month. And I really find there were so many things in common between China and like Chinese culture and the Arab culture. And one of the most things I really find is that we both do almost the same things during our celebrations. So, not to make this intro so long, I really just wanted to share my the vlog with you about Ramadan and about how my day will goes. And also, I really wanted to share with you I'm just a So I just wanted to share with you a little vlog about how I spent my day in Ramadan. And also I want to share with you, because I promised on my previous video that I will be sharing with you a home tour. So there's gonna be Ramadan vlog and a home or apartment slash studio tour. So let's get into it. I'm still trying to put my just like entire apartment together, but this is how it's looked so far. I promised you to make a little tour, so I just like feel that it will take me a little bit longer to make everything looks perfect. So that's why I really wanted to share with you a tour anyway. So this is the living room, and I'm so in love with the view actually. Let's just like get closer. Like I'm really in love with the view so much. So this is actually the balcony. Let's just get out. It's a little mess right now because I do all these spray things and like the spray paint things outside, and sometimes I do stay here as well. So it's a little bit of a mess, but this is the um, balcony, and it really has such a really beautiful view. And I really have a very big plans for this wall. So basically, as what you see here, I have my frames ready, but I really need to print my artworks that I really wanted to put around here. And what I'm thinking about for this area is just like a printing all my Disney artworks and put them right here. So it's just like giving more of like a TV place. So that's what I'm thinking of. So the little areas that I'm really not done with it is this wall and this wall. So I haven't just like finished completely decorating everything yet, but this is how it's looked so far. I have a little dining table with four chairs for me and my sisters because I still living on my parents' apartment and I don't really eat or sleep here either. But I'm just like preparing my home in case I really wanted to spend a little bit of time longer here. And here is my kitchen, and as you can see, it's really very tiny. I don't really spend any time here at all because I don't really cook here and I don't really cook in general. So moving inside, and this is the room that is have like all my art supplies. It also has a very beautiful view, and this door is actually just like getting you out to the balcony. So here is how it's like, and this is my most and favorite place ever that has all my art supplies in one place. Tell me that this is not the perfect things ever. So this is how this room looks like so far. I am so happy that this actually comes to life this beautifully because like look how beautiful it is. So here is my bedroom. It's not done yet. I am still need to do the like bed sheet things. I will do that right now. Just like hold on. And here is I have my bathroom. Hello. Dressed like that. It truly feels sometimes surreal when I'm just like entering my own apartment slash studio. I never really imagined that this will happen, although I really have a big faith that every single dream of mine will come true by a time or another. But it's really feels so surreal, and I'm really just like feeling so grateful each time I'm entering my own apartment slash studio. Although it's not completely done yet, but I'm still happy with every single part of it. So moving into the last room, which is right here, and this room where I spend most of my time because this is the room where I film all my videos and also like the room that has all my products for the backing things. So this is the main room that I stay on it. It's still not done yet. I still need to do a lot of other things here, but this is how it's looked so far. So this is how my apartment slash studio looks so far. I know that there is a lot of mess around, and I'm really working on bringing everything together. I've been only in China for 6 months, so I'm really proud and grateful for all the process that I have made during this 6 months so far. And I'm really excited to fill the entire apartment and studio with my artworks and brings it more to life. This is how it's looked so far, and I'm excited to just like fill the entire apartment later on. So for now, let's back into work because I have a lot to get done today. So the main things I want to get done today is absolutely doing all the Ramadan things plus the spiritual work. And then I really wanted to memorize a little bit of my holy book. Plus, I really want to get some work done and I want to work out and I want to help my family with making the iftar, which is the food that we're going to eat for our um like eating time. And that's also these are the main things and I'm super excited to start working on everything. So, let's get into that. I saw the other day on Pinterest like something to hold your Quran, and I really find it's really super cute and easy to make. So I really thought, why not to remake it, but on my own way. So that one I saw was just like basically the stand that you are seeing with the geometric thing and like a little thing of like above it to stick it. You can just like see the picture right here. So just like understand better. But I thought, why not to add a verse from the Quran to it, so just like to make it extra special. And actually, it turned out so cute. Really love how it's looked like so far. The hardest part was of the entire work is to stick everything together, and to stick acrylic together. It's really neat. I think a special glue, and I don't have that glue, so I just used my resin, and it actually works perfectly. I still really need to spend more time figuring out how to make the stand itself, but for now, so far, so good. Moving into the next thing that I want to do, and it was just like the words, a calligraphy word in Arabic, it says Ramadan Kareem. And I wanted to make it also using my X-Tool M1 Ultra to cut it and make it into a wooden piece to stick it above my mirror on my parents' apartment on the entrance. And I think it would look really so cute. I just really hope that everything works as what I wish, because it's really tricky sometimes. I'm still trying to figure out how to use the machine, because it's literally a magical machine. Like, you can do so many different things, and if you understand the basics, and if you understand the studio where you can actually just create everything, everything will get too much easier and really so much fun. So I'm really enjoying now the process of making things using this machine, because it doesn't really feels like I'm doing it at my studio, and it feels like a ready product. And also, one of the best thing that I really love about this machine, that I can actually finally cut my own wood that I use on my artworks and selling, like for example, like the initials and things like that. I can all do it on my studio and get the entire job done by myself. So I really love that so much. In the beginning, it was really so tricky to understand every single part of this, but I think with time things get easier, and now I can officially finally understand. It took me literally, I think, 2 months to understand everything, but happily things went well, and I'm officially done several things with it. I've got some work done, and I have finished the this this one. So I have just like finished this, and I'm so in love with it. It's still not completely dry yet, so that's why I don't want to put a Quran on it yet. But it's turned out so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the words inside, but it's really turned out so cute. I still need to do some cleaning for the edges and things like that, but overall it's really so beautiful. So I've done this one, and I've also just like have my machine working right now on another thing. I really wanted to decorate the mirror we have on my parents' apartment. It's on the entrance and it's kind of blank. So I really wanted to add like a Ramadan Mubarak on it. So I'm just getting this done. Hopefully it would work, because I have tried several times before, but it did not work. So while the machine working on something, I was just like busy with another thing, which is editing the videos that I have on my phone, because I'm so much behind and I really need to get the videos done immediately. I've been really so much missing action in my Instagram account, which is not me at all. I used to share a lot, but I don't know, it's now become more of like an anxiety thing for me, and I really don't like to deal with social media a lot. So, getting back to there a little bit slower, but yeah. And now, while the machine is still working, I need to read some Quran. So, I think I think there is only an hour and a half until the eating time, which is the sunset time. So we get some pages done while I'm waiting for the iftar. the moment of truth. I'm so afraid that this is not cut out. So let's find out together. We need to take all of these clips out to be able to move it. And I do believe that it did not cut through. So I will be so sad if it did not cut through. Let's see. Oh, it didn't. I really don't know. Oh, huh? It's so weird. Oh, oh, it did not meant to be cut like this. It did not meant to be cut like this. It's really weird. Okay, it's clear. Oh, why am I'm doing that with myself? Okay, it did not go through. All of these to trash. Let's move our hands. Please excuse the lighting. It's already starting to get dark. I've made these napkin holders for my family with each one of their names, like Islam, Baba, Nama, and Daha, and Farah. And here we have also two more, which is for Hala and Drinad. They are still not extremely dry, so I'm trying my best to make them dry before the iftar time, which is just 30 minutes. So I have only 30 minutes to make these dry and prepare the table with my sisters. Went back home to the iftar is already done and ready for us to eat. My sister and my mom was preparing everything, and the food was extremely yummy. I couldn't actually wait just to take a sip of water because I was really thirsty so much. So I had my water and then follow up with the soup and then sambusa because I really loved this so much. And of course, the main dish, everything was really perfect. After having my food, I just wanted to rest for a little bit to be able to work out. And I don't know why, but I really hate working out with my jewelry on, so I really prefer to take them off before working out. I don't know if you're someone like me, so let me know if you're like a person like that. After I worked out, everything feels like the time is really running, so I just prayed, worked out, and took my shower, and then almost like by that the time was already passed so fast and it was time to have my second meal, which is the suhoor. And I had my suhoor. It was also so yummy. I love boiled egg so much. So I had my suhoor and then I started journaling because I can't actually without journaling. I have three different journals, one for my to-do list and to check all what I have done through the week. The second one is just like for journaling in general. So it's just like a habit tracker and everything. And the last one is the night page, like each night has its own page to write everything I'm feeling, thinking of, and so on. So after writing everything down, I feel much better. And then I just like, so sorry. So after writing everything, it was already too late. It was about like 3 in the morning. It was time to sleep. So that was the end of the day. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog with me. See you on the next one. Bye.